Hi everyone, Ryan here. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on AutoDS versus Zendrop. In this video, we're going to dive deep into two popular dropshipping automation tools, AutoDS and Zendrop. Essentially, I'm going to be comparing their features, pricing, and customer reviews to help you determine which one might be the best fit for your e-commerce business. As the dropshipping landscape continues to evolve, it's crucial to choose the right tools to stay competitive and efficient. So hopefully by the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what each platform offers and how they stack up against each other in various aspects of dropshipping automation. This will be invaluable in optimizing your business operations and potentially increasing your profit margins. And real quick, before getting started, if you don't have a Shopify account, then feel free to grab the link in our description box down below. Upon creating an account using it, you'll be granted your 3-day free trial, and then after that, you can choose to continue with any one of Shopify's plans for only $1 on your first month. It's a great way for you to kickstart your online business at minimal costs, so go ahead and grab the link if you haven't already. Moving on, let's talk more about AutoDS and Zendrop. Essentially, these two are dropshipping automation tools. They are designed to help e-commerce entrepreneurs find profitable products, add these products to their online stores, and automate the order fulfillment process. You will find these tools to be useful if you're a beginner who want to streamline your entry into dropshipping, and even if you're an experienced seller looking to scale your operations. Or maybe you just want to reduce the time spent on manual tasks. In that case, then these two can be very useful for you. So the main goal of these tools is to automate as much of the dropshipping process as possible, allowing you to focus on strategy, marketing, and growing your business. As for AutoDS features, we've got the platform integration, as AutoDS shines in its multi-platform support, integrating with Shopify, eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, WooCommerce, and more. And this versatility allows you to expand your business across multiple channels without needing different tools. There's also the product sourcing, as it offers a curated marketplace with high quality products, focuses on items with fast shipping options, and this is crucial for customer satisfaction, and of course provides detailed product information and performance data. You may also find the TikTok Ad Spy tool to be useful, and this is a unique feature that helps identify trending products on TikTok, capitalize on viral trends quickly, and provides insights into successful TikTok ad campaigns in your niche. There are many different tools, but I want to mention the product research tool, as this provides data on product performance across different platforms, and it gives you insights into seasonal trends and competitor pricing, and of course helps you identify potential winning products based on historical data. Next up, we have the Zendrop features. And the first one is the automated dropshipping, as this focuses primarily on US-based products for faster shipping, streamlines the order fulfillment process, and provides real-time inventory updates. You may also make use of the product sourcing tools, as you have a curated selection of proven dropshipping products that also provide detailed product information and profit margin estimates, which helps you focus on quality products in order to reduce the returns and improve customer satisfaction. Zendrop also has this very cool feature for custom branding, which lets you add custom branding to product packaging and offers options for custom inserts and thank you cards, which helps you seamlessly build brand identity and customer loyalty. This platform, however, is more Shopify focused, as you have the seamless integration with Shopify stores. It also offers Shopify specific features and optimizations and provides dedicated support for Shopify users. So both platforms have very interesting features that are very useful, but the key differences here include number one, platform support, as AutoDS clearly takes the lead here with its multi-platform integration, making it a more versatile choice if you are a seller who wants to expand beyond a single platform. There's also the TikTok integration, as AutoDS offers a significant advantage for those looking to capitalize on TikTok trends, which can be a game changer in finding viral products. But I have to give the Zendrop's custom packaging and the branding option that could be significant advantage for brand conscious sellers who want to create a memorable unboxing experience for their customers. Additionally, Zendrop emphasizes US-based products, which can be advantageous for faster shipping times to US customers, but AutoDS on the other hand offers a more global approach to sourcing. Moving on, let's break down the pricing structure for both tools in more detail. For Zendrop, it does have a free plan that offers some very basic features. It's limited to 50 products and there is no order automation. The first paid plan, the Pro plan, coming in at $49 per month, gives you access to automated order fulfillment, unlimited products, and the basic analytics. And finally, we have the Plus plan at $79 per month. That includes everything in the previous plan plus the Zendrop Academy, product bundles, subscription boxes, chargeback management, plus the advanced analytics and the priority support. You could choose to get paid yearly instead, and that way you would end up saving around 34%. On the other hand, for AutoDS, each platform that you're integrating with has different plans. So we'll be focusing on Shopify for this video, but you can check out the different platforms on this page right here. Starting with import 200, you would be allowed to import up to 200 products as the name suggests, and this plan would come in at $20 per month. This is their first plan, and obviously they don't have a free one unlike Zendrop. But honestly speaking, the free plan with Zendrop is very limited and you would end up having to buy a plan anyway. If you choose to pay annually, then you would end up saving around $84 on this plan. On the higher tier of the plan, the more you would end up saving if you choose to pay annually. So other than the import 200, you've got the starter 500 and the advanced 1000. As the name suggests, the number of products that you're allowed to import is suggested in the plan's name. So if, for example, you need even more than 1000, you simply choose a package and you can select from 2000 up to 8000 on the products. And with that, we will have reached the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions, then go ahead and let us know in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.